Hi YouTubers, I finally got my package from Four Corner Fingerboards. I could not wait, and this is from, usually it's Bobby Alexander, but this one is Donna Alexander. That's his wife. She's awesome. She packages is awesome. So Four Corner, you are the best. So I ordered yellow trucks, and that's it, yellow trucks. I really need yellow trucks. So I can't wait to unbox it. Let's cut it. Oh shoot. I don't want to cut anything in it. Let's make sure I didn't cut anything. Wait. Yeah, I'm not cut anything. So let's start cutting. Oh wait, should I do something else? Oh, this is bubble wrap. Hard to open. They have nice packaging, by the way. No, I'm not do like that. I was waiting on patient. Oh, open already. It's so hard to open bubble wrap. Oh, fine. Oh, so here's my package. So in here, we got my package. And this is my package. That's all I have inside. That's all I have. Yeah, so this is what we got. And let's open it. So first off, we got some nice stickers that I've been waiting for. Some Four Corner stickers. I'll put it on this deck, in my deck, right here, my complete. And I'll put on some ramps. So you got some of these. And we got these big ones, these awesome ones. I love these stickers. I really love stickers, because I don't get it always. And here we got something. Oh, I've been waiting all day. Just get this package. Oh, my hand fit in there. Hand. Oh, come on. Ew. I guess this is a sticker. Is it? Wait. Yeah, it is. Probably is, yeah, it is. You got some Four Corner stickers. And let's get what I ordered out. I ordered some. Oh, nice. I already got some yellow trucks. Let's take the other one out. Yeah. So, yeah. Some yellow trucks. Awesome. It's very cool and nice. And got like, it's awesome. It's mint condition. So, yeah. And so we got some walnuts. Got a tool. Four Corner tool. We got our tuning, our bushings. For this, red, nice, red bushings. Two small ones and two big ones. We got we got 4 washers. We got washers. I really need them. It's awesome too. Oh, so cool. Well, thanks, Four Corner. I'll be ordering a lot from you. And we got some. And got our screws right there. Wait. Wait, I'm making a video. So yeah, sorry about that. And we got 2 on it. So pretty much what we got was all this right here. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. I mean, you got all these pieces, you got all these 4-corner stickers that I've been waiting for. I really love stickers, especially 4-corner. So I'm putting it on my ramp. Wow, awesome. We also got little ones. We also got little stickers. Are these even stickers? I can't even take them out. So hard to take out. Yeah, so we got all these stickers. They're awesome. We got little ones and nice ones. So yeah, pretty much I'll put it on my wood freaking board. This one. So yeah, this is gonna be a quick video. I'll be unboxing more stuff. Yeah, it came pretty fast. Shipping was fast. Ordered it Friday, came Tuesday. It's not bad. Keep your little stuff when I'm ship stuff. Good thing. And it's nice with bubble wrapped. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, we got awesome stuff. So that's it. Making a review of my Spitfire deck. So yeah. Keep bangboarding 2 fingers and peace.